Game jams. I have never participated in one. I wish someone hosts it. But someone hosted a game jam. I'm totally not gonna participate. Like I can make a game in 3 days. For those of you who don't know what a game jam is, it's a competition kind of thing where many developers have to make a game on a particular topic in a particular amount of time. I'm participating in a GeoJam. In this game jam, I will have to make a game with geometric shapes. Well, there are gonna be people with teams and years of development experience. Yeah. Anyways, this year's theme is pick a side. So let's just start by creating a new Unity project, and well, I'm gonna make it 3D. I added character movement. So the idea of the game is to make a horror game in which you have to go through a maze, and once you select which way to go, you can't go back. I don't want to spoil the game, so yeah, let's just start. So I set up everything on devlog.com because that makes me look like I know what I'm doing, which I clearly not. Well, in a horror game needs to be nighttime, so I added a night sky, although it won't come with in play until the later levels. Alright, it's time to set up the basic mechanics. I made it so that the door behind you closes as soon as you walk in. The game looks kinda bad, so I added URT or universal render pipeline. This isn't enough. I also added post processing. I also added ops, which you have to collect. Alright, time to make a tutorial level. Let me show you how it's done. First, you make the basic layout of the map in Photoshop. Then you import it into Unity and make a material out of it. After that, you set up the basic layout of the map. You place some text to guide the player and stuff, consider it's a tutorial level. Then you add the door closing and stuff, details, add a player, some triggers for jump scares, and boom, we are done. Anyways, I added a game over screen, so whenever you pick the wrong side, you get a jump scare and you can restart. Now, all we have to do is make maps and all the UI and ending and stuff. First, I added a fade in effect, then I started work on the main menu. So I set up a basic scene, added the UI on top of it. It's day 2 now, I completed the main menu, and now we need a levels menu. But for that, we need levels, cause how is it gonna be a levels menu without some levels? We are gonna make 5 levels, so let's just start working. It's now day 3, and now that all the levels are complete, let me start working on the levels menu. But before that, we need some music. So I just played some random notes on my piano, and here's what I came up with. Alright, so I put together the levels menu and tested the game to check the bugs, and well, it's a mess out here and we only have 1 hour to fix it or we are gone. So I fixed everything, made an ending, made an icon, built the game and submitted with around 15 minutes remaining. Now I'm dying inside, so I'm gonna jump on the bed. If you want to play this game, link is gonna be in the description. Anyways, this was my first game jam and it was fun. I learned some new things. Anyways, it's a small walkthrough of the game. Alright, I got out. I said get the hell out.